Competitors, Lloyd Clinton. I will zoom in on him. He's crispy, but I couldn't get him. Hey. And the other African Bambaataa, Kwabena Brenya from Stanford, Arizona. From Zamunda. And hold on, let me get a good angle on this. And here it is. Wolf that trick.
I switched him. I thought I was going my left, right?
Oh! Could have got you.
I live to see another day.
Yeah?
You know, I always throw it on him. It's nothing.
Ricky
Hey, throw that ball?
making up drills. We done?
Nah, one more. I got one more dunk on him.
Hey Brenya. How you feel?
You gonna let me know when you 2 more times. Yo, I'm tired of your mouth, man.
Put the ball, okay? I don't want to dunk it. I want to dunk this one.
Oh, this is the one I blocked. I ain't worried about it. This is the one I can block.
Yo, y'all doing this? My arm is getting tired.
You know?
Hey. What y'all doing?
Not no more?